Why not po yung pabalik na wala ay nagkalas na training ng paro naman no nakaisa nakuha nagkasor kayo sige because raining hard na-circle sa mo tapos ikon ninyo ipalo tong it was falling on my shoes na 6 times sige 1, 2, 3 go it was raining hard it was raining hard it was falling on my head it was falling on my socks it was falling on my shoes it was falling on my shoes it was falling on my shoes it was falling wala na nagadi mo bakit ko man yung yari dito na luya tama pa niya niya tanong like kasalito buka na siya balik mo na kuan pila naman wala na si Ma'am R kabuo na sila this iwasa lang sa kay mag-review lang thank you sige naman pa ato pila na magikalim niya dire o pa to isa ay pila ka tao lima nganong luwag ba ni dire dapat dire dire lamang ito just ma'am sila may mag-just kung lima mo dire luwag tayo outside. The rain was falling. Ano ba Mr. Yani? Agad sa akin na. Gawin niya talaga. Gawin niya, Agi. 1, 2, 3, go. I got soaking wet. I got soaking wet. But I stayed outside. I stayed outside. The rain was sweet. The rain was sweet. The rain was sweet. The rain was warm. The rain was soft. The rain was sweet. The rain was warm. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. The rain was sweet. The rain was warm. The rain was soft.
The rain was warm. So, then na lang.
The rain was warm. The rain was soft. The rain was soft.
The rain was soft.
Balik sa mo. It reminded. Bilan ni ka mo. Ay, ano na lang. It reminded. Hindi mag-home nga.
Reminded me of home. Reminded me of pala.
Reminded